Mr. Schweiger. I'm the FFA advisor at Newark Valley High School and the agriculture teacher. This is my room, 145. Let's take a look around inside. So in here, in the back corner, we do a lot of our seed starting. We have Grow Light. Many of these plants will go into our grow tower. Some of these plants are for an experiment. Here's our grow tower. You can see it's empty right now. Beginning of the year, we'll have tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, lots of crops grown in here. This is the organic 2445 system. Does a great job of growing greens. As you can see, our students planted those about 3 weeks ago on the top, looking good. We also have an aquaponic system that will be starting up soon, where we raise fish and then grow greens in the top. Back corner soon we'll have our food science setup where we'll have a refrigerator and a full stove. We're excited to have that added to the program. As you can see, we're already starting to harvest some things out of the greenhouse and our community garden. Let's go check out the greenhouses. The tube house was built by students in the spring of 2017. Come take a look. In here we direct seed right into the ground. As you can see, we have tomatoes that were planted in the spring. They're getting to the end of the season. On the right, we've direct seeded some lettuce and spinach that we'll hope to get a crop before winter. This house was started in 2019. It's our second house. We're going to finish it as soon as I have enough students to do that. Come on in. Our plan for this house is to use it for seed starting. We have tables. We're also looking at having some livestock hutches on the back end of this house. So here in Ag Class, we offer many courses. Introduction to Agriculture, or AFNR, which is for Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources. I also teach Environmental Science, which is a college credit class with TC3. We teach an Animal Science class, that's a college credit class with Morrisville. And this year we've added 2 half-year courses, Food Science, which I'm currently teaching and enjoying a lot. And in the spring, we'll be doing Introduction to Horticulture, where the students will be focused on growing food in the greenhouse. All of our courses are on Schoology. That's where we load our lectures and our materials as well as our assignments. And students can post questions there as well. If we were to go fully remote, we'll continue to run the course that way and hold daily Zoom meetings during class time. If your student have any questions about agriculture, please feel free to email me or message me on Schoology.